Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about e-commerce photography. What is it, how to do it, and can you do it in a small studio with just one light? Hi, I am Adi and I am creative portrait photographer from Bulgaria. I love to shoot creative portraits outdoors and in the studio. But the way I make money is often from shooting e-commerce work for different clothing shops. First thing first, what is e-commerce photography? This is a type of photography that products are photographed to be used in online shops and marketplaces. The goal for this type of photography is to shoot the products and give the customers an idea how the products are look in real life. These photos are typically taken in a simple clear backdrop with attention given to light and angles that best showcase the product's features. Now, let's talk about the setup. In our case, we are using a clear white background, which was one of our client requirements. I use only one light, this big umbrella, without the diffuser to give more punch in the pictures. I position the umbrella in front of the model and from above. That way, the light from umbrella hit both my model and my background. It doesn't create a crispy white background, but it makes it evenly lit. Now, what I shoot with Canon R6 and Tamron 70-200 in f4. With that lens, I couldn't get full body shot of my model in my small studio, but that's okay, because for this project it wasn't necessary. When you shoot multiple e-commerce images, they must look identical on the website. So it's very important to shoot from the same angle and distance, so use a tripod. Also, it's very important for your model to stay in the same position after changing her clothes. You can mark the spot where your model stands with something on the floor. We didn't do that, but it's a good tip. Let's talk about what you must ask your client before getting the job. It could be a video by itself, but I wanted to give you some quick but very important questions to ask your clients. First one, how many products you need to shoot and how many photos for a product the client wants. Based on that, you can estimate how much time it will take you to take the photos and post-processing. In our case, the client wants 3 photos for a product from different angles. The second question is very important. What are the client's expectations about the background? In the setup that I showed you, you get a clear, evenly lit white background, but it's not pure white. If you need a pure white background, you need to use a different light setup, or if you have only one light, you need to post-processing the photos, which will add time to your work. And the third thing that you need to ask your client, what is their expectations about aspect ratios of the image. In most cases, this resizing is done by the agency that supports the website, but sometimes it can be expected from you, so you need to know that. So guys, this is the basics that you need to know to start shooting e-commerce work. If you have questions, leave it in the comments. Bye!